Welcome to the Travelex Daily Briefing for the week of December 8th, 2011. The US dollar safe haven ascension through early last week was cut short after the Federal Reserve and 5 other major central banks decided to halve dollar cost fundings across the board from 100 basis points above the OIS swap rate to 50 basis points above the OIS swap rate. The symphony of monetary policy easing helped to rally investors' expectations that monetary policy may still have an effort to protect investors against the European sovereign debt crisis that has been plaguing the European Union sovereigns over the last year and a half. The key benefactors of these results have been higher yielding currencies that are particularly sensitive to commodity prices and commodity fluctuations. Some of these currencies include the Aussie, Kiwi, and Eurocentric currencies such as the Euro, Sterling, and the Scandinavian Trio. The Scandinavian Trio are, of course, the Norwegian, Swedish, and Danish krona. Italy's positive vote on a €30 billion austerity package over the weekend continued to catalyze investors' expectations that the Eurozone might be able to pull its strategy together for leading itself out of its current ruckus. The €30 billion euro austerity legislation is the first major success for Italy's new Prime Minister, Mario Monti, whose technocratic government took helm early last month. Looking ahead, a dense economic calendar with several ripe central bank meetings this week may pose increased hurdles for investors in terms of their decision making. Some of these major reports include Canada's monetary policy meeting on Tuesday, Australia's GDP report on Wednesday, the Bank of England's rate decision on Thursday, and Friday. Investors should be particularly careful for the European Central Bank's rate decision and quantitative easing policy, which will be early Thursday morning. The European Central Bank has been at the center of a hot issue pertaining to how much influence it can impact on the 17 member state confidence within the Eurozone as well as the European Union at large. A final source of volatility investors should be afraid about would be the European Finance Ministers meeting, which are going to be held through Friday, where most likely conversations about amendments to the European Union's treaty regarding budgetary constraints will be discussed. For this and more, please visit us at travelexbusiness.com/NA.